Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing really well. So today's video is none other than a plan with me video for the month of March. So if you love planner related video, hauls, and a little bit of lifestyle sprinkle in between, this is definitely the channel for you to watch. So we're gonna go ahead and jump on into this video because I don't want to make it too long if at all possible. Y'all know I can get real chatty in my videos, especially my monthlies, as well as some of my weekly plan with me's as well. So before I get to showing you the kits that I made for this month, I want to kind of address the bandage on my hand. I ended up basically what the doctor called filleting my finger. Almost, I'm gonna say almost filleting my finger. So I had to end up getting stitches last week. So unfortunately I wasn't able to actually bring a video to you guys for this week, or excuse me, last week. So that is why I'm not sure when this video is gonna go up. So hopefully I will get this video up before the 23rd of the month. That's my ultimate goal. So at the time I'm filming this video, it is actually the 12th. So I'm hoping to get it up by this week, if not by next week when you are actually seeing this. So if you're seeing it this weekend, the weekend of the 15th, then great, I got it up in time. But that was basically why I really couldn't do a lot with my hand, because they told me not to use my hand. And let me tell you guys, if you have never had to have stitches in your hand, you do not realize how much tension you put on your hand or your fingers until you have to have stitches and or sutures. Let me say that term as well. So that's why, and you will probably see this in a few upcoming videos. I will just tell you the color may change because I went and bought these in different colors because I just wanted variety. But for the most part, you probably will see the yellow because it's a happy fun color. So anywho, with that being said, I'm gonna show you guys the kits that I have made for this month, because yellow is a good segue, because both of the kits that I created both have yellow in them. So surprise, surprise. And if you hear anything going on in the background of my video, my baby's in here with me. So she's actually playing her game right now. So if you hear anything, that's why. If you're a parent, you know. So if you know, you know, in essence. So I did create two kits. Now y'all pay no attention to the names. They're gonna say April kit 1 and April kit 2. I did have a March kit that was like a shamrock kit that I created, and I didn't print and cut it because I decided I didn't really want to do just shamrocks for the month of March, since Easter and St. Patrick's Day are falling in the same month. So I haven't decided if I'm going to use the other kit in April. Whichever one I end up picking in this video, I probably may end up using the other kit in April, or maybe using the other kit like later on down the line. But I'm really enjoying creating kits for half letters, especially the monthly. So let's go ahead and just get started with sharing the kit. So this first one, and y'all, if I don't know what to name it, I just put the month on there. So again, disregard April because we're gonna use it for March. So this first one I really do like, because I was resizing my boxes. That was something I said I was gonna do in my last monthly. But at the top I have all my bills, and I did shrink the icons down. I made them even smaller than I did in February, which I'm really happy about. So I do have 4 full boxes at the bottom, and then I have some half and quarter boxes in the middle, along with some headers, and again all of my little bill icons. And then on the back I did something a little different than what I did on the last sheet. On the last sheet in February I did nothing but half and quarter labels, but I realized I did not need all of those, and whatever I couldn't basically use, I have that for extras. But this time around I split it, so I did more quarter and half, and like decorative boxes, and then I did 8 more of the full boxes with different images. And one of the images, I love all these, but the bottom 4 are kind of like my favorites, and kind of like this one too, and this one too. Okay, listen, all of them are my favorites, but this one was the only image that was different. So I definitely know I want to use that for something. I'm thinking of using it for a quote on the side, because I like to put quotes on my month. So that's the first kit. The second kit is again the same, but this time, the difference between the two kits is the headers. So on this one, I just have meeting, training, call, appointment. I did add debt payments, to pay, to clean, to buy. So that's what I did differently on this one, because I did kind of want to put some things that I may have come up, just kind of like tracking them there. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use a debt payment one, but I may include it. Just really just depends. But on this one, I decided to take a lot of those repetitive headers off, like meeting, training, call, and appointment. And I just decided to put the holidays in. So daylight savings time, which is, no, it's not a holiday, but things that are going on in the month that I need to kind of be mindful of. And so if I cover them up with a box, I won't be so mad because I'll have the header there. That was also my thought. So I think I'm going to keep that for the rest of the year. I'm thinking that's the way I'm going to go. But when you make your own stickers for your own planner, then of course you can do whatever you want. That's the beautiful part about it. But I got daylight savings time, Good Friday, Easter, Palm Sunday, when spring actually begins, St. Patrick's Day. Then I have meeting, appointment, training, call, and debt payments. Because I have a sheet that already has those other headings in there, that's why I decided to actually change it. And this one has a lot of yellows and tans and some sprinkles of brown, because the bunnies and the roses, which you can barely see here, are all in brown. The crosses are in brown as well. And then I did the same format on the second sheet, where I have my quarter, full boxes, and also half boxes. And this one says Jesus. I don't know if you can see that. I'm leaning towards this one because I just love, I don't know, I just love the simplicity of it. I'm really trying to decide which one I want to go with. I feel like I like them both, and technically I can still use this because it still brings in the tan color, so I can still pull from both of the kits. But I think I'm going to go ahead and go with this kit. I just really like it. And then y'all know I like to punch my kits after I'm done with them, and I store them in my sticker storage book. If you're not familiar, it is always linked below. I actually store them in the back. That's where I have all of my kits. I am going to eventually get another one of these so that I can store all of my kits in one book. So let's go ahead and get started, because I got a good bit of stuff. I think I'm also going to use one of my fountain pens. These are not TWSBIs. These are the knockoff TWSBIs, and they work just as well. You don't have to spend a lot of money on fountain pens, but I will tell you guys, I'm gonna buy a TWSBI. I decided I think for my birthday this year, I want to get a TWSBI, and I have my eye on a few of them. I'm not really sure, but I'm kind of nervous because a lot of people say once you buy one, you start getting up into the higher end models of fountain pens. But I'm not ready to commit just yet. But this is one of the things that I actually love and I don't use very often. Let me get a piece of scratch paper, because I did something different with my ink this time. It's the same brand ink. If you guys ever want me to do a fountain pen video, let me know, and we'll try to get that film for you. But I mixed the inks with each other. I'm gonna see which one's gonna start writing. It's definitely time for me to probably clean them. I did run one underwater last night, or the other night. This one's acting like it doesn't want to write, so we're gonna set that one to the side. This one I know was right. Yeah, okay. So this one is the one that I mixed. It's actually a mixture of blue and brown ink, so it's kind of like a bluey brown. So it's definitely very different. And I don't know if you're supposed to do that, but I did. So we'll use this one. All right, so let me go ahead. I got a lot of, not a lot, but a good bit of sticky notes. And I also need to fix this because this birthday is actually on the wrong date. So I need to remove that out. I was going to fix the month of March. I need to fix December too. But I was going to fix it, but I was like, nah, we ain't going to do all that since the days are pretty much where they're supposed to be. Anybody else still kind of having that daylight savings time lag? Because y'all, the struggle is definitely real. I didn't print any deco for this month. I should have. I may go back and actually do it on a different sheet and then put it put it on here. I'm not certain. I haven't decided if I'm gonna put any new releases up this month. I've got stuff designed. I just don't know if I'm gonna have time. I'm hoping to do it this weekend, but it's a lot going on within the month, and then I got even more going on next month. Stuff coming up that I didn't even know was going to end up coming up. So yeah, let's just go ahead and start laying down my bills. Let me refer to February because I cannot remember how I did February. And of course I have it clamped down with my ollie clip, so yeah, I think I only use labels for certain bills, so that's what I'm gonna do this time around as well. I'm just gonna use labels for certain bills. And let me go ahead and pull up, and I have my bills in order as to when they are usually due. Oh, actually, before I do my bills, let me go ahead and put my church in, because we're going to give grace to our Lord and Savior. And actually I need to make some more of these little stickers. I need to make them in the mini size. So I do have most of my bills in. I'm missing like 2 more, but I can't remember the due date on them, so I'm going to skip them from right now until I can verify the due date. And I'm trying to remember which one of these books. Okay, it's this one. So I'm going to do kind of like what I did last month, where I used the stickers in this little Happy Planner book, and I think they have like 2 new ones out, so I'm deciding if I want to get that. But I'm going to indicate my PTO, because I do have PTO. Schedule, and I did dots the last time. I think I kind of want to do this one. Let me see. I know I'm gonna do the other little corner thing, but I think I'm gonna mark like this. So I just finished up with putting in the little bit of deco that I did have. I was actually pulling a lot of the deco from sticker books off camera to kind of speed this up, but I really love the way that this box turned out, even though it just really stands out from the spread because like the little pink flowers, it kind of goes with it. And I wanted to bring in a little doll, so I did that, and I brought in some, you know, some clover for St. Patrick's Day as well, even though the focus of my spread more so is for Easter. But either way it goes, I really like the way it's turning out, and I'm really enjoying monthly plan with me. So I feel like I'm enjoying those more than the weeklies to be honest, even though I haven't shared weeklies just yet. Hopefully by the time this video goes up, hopefully I'll have some weeklies either before or after this. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm not sure when I'll have my new releases in the shop, but I am working on the photos for that and getting those done so I can get those up in the shop for the middle of the year. I think I'm in the second quarter already. I think I'm going to be in the third quarter. My new releases for the third quarter, because I've been working on those along with some other little random things that are not too seasonal. So once I have those already, be on the lookout for them. I'm actually getting ready to test some more sticker paper as well, especially for my clear stickers. So that's one of the things that I'm working on, because I know a lot of people love clear sticker sheets. So I can't wait to be able to offer that in my shop. So if you see anything in this video that you like, let me know in the comments below, and I will try my best to see if I can get it added to the shop if you are interested. But other than that, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for being so patient with me. Be blessed, be safe in the streets, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video. Bye.